Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson, Karen, Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a reverse comb. Now knowing how to do a normal comb already would be really helpful, but the reverse comb is the basis of a load of moves, but unlike a lot of families of moves, the basic version is not one of the best ones, so it's worth learning it. But if it's not, you're not there thinking, wow, this is awesome, hang tough, because we're going to have a couple of videos coming out shortly with much nicer variations on this, but it's a good idea to know the basic first. So now I've put in some caveats. Obviously I'll put a link to the comb in the description below. The basic one looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's kind of doing a comb backwards. So it starts off right to right. It doesn't have to come off a return, but a standard comb comes off a return, so we're going to give you the same setup. So the lady's coming around. As the lady's coming around and the hand's coming down, we're not going to lead the lady back. It's going to feel very kind of figure 80. Guys are going to turn left. We're going to rotate the hand so we're palm up. So we're trying to get all the way around so it gets to the back of the neck. And we're going to bring our left hand through and pop it onto the lady's hip on the left hand side. We're trying to get to the point where we're looking at the lady. Now you've got that reverse comb section. Some people think of it as an uncomb, whatever you want to think to get it into your head. It goes over the top, down between you, and we're going to use the hand to send the lady away, and you can do the transfer into the left hand if you need the left hand next, or you could have just stayed in the right if that's what you needed. So let's do the same thing again from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. It goes back 1, return the lady 2, guys get round with a hand change 3, we reverse comb 4 and out 5. So if you're ready, let's go together. Here we go, right to right. 5, 6, a reverse comb, we go a back, a lady goes round, a guy goes round, reverse comb and out. That's it. Hope you find that useful, but as I say, if you're not a big fan of the basic, hang tough, because there are some nice variations that come from this. User recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that, and hitting the notification bell means you'll get told every time a video comes out, so you won't miss one, like those new reverse comb variations coming up. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.